Option selling is a game of patience, and knowing exactly which tool to use when is very important. With rising wicks, it is natural to feel uncomfortable in the trades. But for a smart trader, this is exactly where the Greeks start working in your favor. Simple things, if done in the right way, can give excellent results. One might be knowing the strategy, but edge is when we know when and how to use it. Today I will show you a framework that can remove the fear of down move and actually benefit when the market recovers with falling volatility. Let us master bear call spread. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and I am your friend Pradeep Singla. Disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational purposes to help you develop a process driven mindset. No recommendations at all. Take a look at India VIX chart. It has surged over 53% recently, trading at its highest level in 10 months. While high volatility can feel uncomfortable, it actually creates a high premium environment. As option sellers, this definitely creates good opportunities for decent trades. But in high VIX environment, it's very natural to feel confused about what to trade. क्या करना है is a general question in this scenario, but I will say क्यों करना है is much more prominent question which we need to address before taking the trade. What if we could use a strategy that removes the fear of further down move in the market and actually benefits if the market recovers while volatility goes down? I will also try to explain why this strategy is used in such an environment. Let us discuss bear call spread in detail. Most of us might be knowing the strategy, but important is execution at the right time. Tools are there, but whether I am using right tool for right purpose, that is most important thing. What a needle can do, a sword cannot do, and what a sword can do, a needle cannot do. Let us quickly understand the strategy in 30 seconds only. Bear call spread is a two-leg strategy. We sell a higher premium call and buy a lower premium call, creating net credit in the system. Strike price of buying call should always be above the strike price of selling call. Let us see the details in actual construction of trade also. Hope it is very clear. In case of any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer all the questions. Also, bear call spread is a great strategy not only for index, but it can be equally well used in stocks also. So first we will buy the call so that we are setting the trade to consume minimum margin. I have taken example from May 2025 trade where VIX was high and had peaked on 9th of May. Then we have sold a lower call, completing the bear call spread. One call sold, one call purchased. But with a caution that trade is taken in far OTM strikes, you can see that. Generally, you will see it is told that okay, sell ATM and buy OTM. That is a very bookish knowledge, not at all practical. So stay OTM as far as possible. Few important things in the trade: margin required will be around 43,000 per lot. Main catch in this trade is it should be done when VIX is high. Mostly this is not understood and trade is done thinking that I am bearish, so let me do this trade. But if someone is so confident on bearishness, then sell naked call or buy naked put. But being bearish is only 50% thing. Main balance 50% is that VIX should also be high while doing this trade. And as discussed, buying leg should be executed first to get the margin benefit. Please hit the like button for better reach and visibility. Each and every like is very valuable to us. Thanks in advance. So to move to proper calculations, we must look at the Greeks. Our delta in this case is minus 3.98, which simply confirms our bearish bias. But look at theta, 95.01. This means that just by being patient, nearly 1.25 points are credited to our account every single day. So if we hold this trade just for 5 days, we are already 1% plus on the deployed margin. And Vega, this is the real power of this strategy. As of now, the Vega is 244.80, which is minus. This means if VIX falls by just 1 unit, another 245 rupees or 3.2 points will get credited to the account immediately. And if VIX drops by just 2 units, we hit a 1% profit target without Nifty even moving an inch. Hope this is not very complex and it's all making sense. Let's see a real trade in the past for better understanding. I have chosen May 9th because that time again VIX was 22. So on 9th May morning, spot is 23080. Bear call spread trade is initiated. View is bearish? Yes, but nobody can be sure. Is VIX high? Yes. So both the boxes are ticked and this trade can be taken now. On expiry, market moved up by 800 points. So the bearishness thing never worked. But VIX dropped to 16 from 22. So if we see, although the view went totally wrong, but because of trade taken at the right time, trade ended in a profit of 4.9% on deployed capital. Now, this is the difference between trading through guesswork or trading with proper calculations and right strategy. Any strategy cannot be used anytime. If this one thing becomes clear, we can save a lot of bad outcomes in our trading. Now, what if market would have gone further up? Nobody can control the market, but yes, we can definitely control our trades. There are few adjustments possible. The adjustments will reduce the risk in the trade and increase profitability of the trade also. We will definitely discuss few adjustments in part 2 of this video. Do join our silver membership for exclusive members videos on very fine aspects of trading. Price of membership is nothing for a serious trader, but value is definitely huge. Join button is there just below this video. I'm leaving you with a great video on iron condor, which is 50% bear call spread, 50% bull put spread. You will definitely like it. Hit the like button and subscribe button for the channel. Download TOS app from link in the description. See you in the next video. Bye. All the best.